The Center for Restroom Equality is a project addressing issues of transphobia and transvisibility by installing tampon disposal boxes in several men's restrooms across Pittsburgh. For trans and non-binary identifying people, simple tasks like using a public restroom can be a source of anxiety. We are seeking to make these spaces feel safer and more inclusive.
I think that it'll help bring even more awareness to that issue. You know, I think gender shouldn't even be such an issue, and it's really hard when you have somebody who is genderless or picked their own or or identify as something they weren't born with, and it's hard for them to go into either of them at that point.
These boxes were installed at Artisan Tattoo and Gallery, a public restroom in Oakland, Lacuna Artist Lofts in Chicago, and several bathrooms at the University of Pittsburgh and Carnegie Mellon University. We hope that these installations will not only call attention to a sorely underserved issue, but also be a functional object for any man who may be in need of one.